Enabling biometric login on your HSBC account can enhance your security and make accessing your banking services more convenient. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the HSBC app. Download and install the HSBC mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app once it's installed. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the *com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, look for the settings or profile icon, usually found in the top corner of the app. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Select Biometric Login. In the Settings menu, find the option for Biometric Login or Fingerprint/Face ID. Tap on this option to proceed with enabling biometric authentication. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up biometric login. This may involve confirming your identity and allowing the app to access your device's biometric features such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your HSBC account using biometric authentication. Enjoy the added convenience and security.